Finding the courage to change, discovering worthiness. It is difficult to make a man miserable while he feels worthy of himself and claims kindred to the great God who made him. That's a quote by Abraham Lincoln. Because of my people-pleasing habit, I have always felt unworthy. This deep inner fear of not being good enough stems from the belief that my worthiness was based on accomplishments. From the behavior of others, I got indirect messages like, do these things, stand on your head for me, and then for a few minutes I'll be proud of you. Take a wrong step, spill the milk, and I'm not talking to you. It was conditional love in action. Only recently have I begun to discover my own worthiness. I'm learning to stay connected to Source, the real parent who created me. I am a child of God. I'm wonderfully made, and my higher parent loves me unconditionally. Nothing is withheld. I am worthy. I know that I am an extension of Source energy. I know that I have access to the power that creates worlds. I simply have to remember to plug into that power every day. I am so worthy that I have access to infinite intelligence. I access that intelligence when I pray and meditate. I have been given the power to create my own reality. When I accept my power and my worthiness, creating my new reality becomes exciting and fun.